The condominium we'll be looking at today is a family-friendly project with ample space, lots of greenery, great amenities and facilities, and breathtaking city views. You're watching SQ.M Asia, a trusted real estate consultant agency with over 2 decades of experience in buy, sell, rent, and has served over 10,000 international families. So welcome to Millennium Residence. The project has 4 towers you can rent from, A, B, C, and D. But before we explore the project itself, let's get right into seeing the unit. The moment you walk in, you'll notice it has a beautiful open layout, topped off by gorgeous decor, 3-meter high ceilings, and timber flooring. It has a 6-seater wooden dining table with a glass top, making it easy to clean. After eating, you can relax and enjoy the living area, and not only because of its lovely ambience or large windows, bringing lots of natural light to the room, but because of its stunning city view. Can't you just picture a cozy Sunday morning with your loved ones? But keep watching because you just have to see the master bedroom view. It also has a spacious balcony that extends up until the master bedroom, but before I show it to you, let's head to the kitchen. We have a nice marble kitchen island, some glass-covered storage cabinets, a modern cooking area, and a massive fridge. However, the kitchen actually extends to this room where you're provided with an oven, more food cabinets, and a very generous laundry area, which you could also just turn into a storage space. Finally, let's look at the bedrooms. The first one was actually turned into another area to just relax and hang out, but it can easily be turned into another bedroom, a home office, or perhaps even a music room. As we can see from the first bathroom, the design is modern, which you'll notice is the same for every bathroom. We have a stainless steel cylinder shower head, something you won't see in every condo, to be honest. The next bedroom greets us with more wooden furniture, giving the room a warmer feel, and a wardrobe cabinet that stretches almost up until the ceiling. As for air conditioning, they are ceiling-concealed ACs mounted on the walls, which you'll find is also the same all throughout the unit for aesthetic purposes. In the second bathroom, we also have a stainless steel cylinder shower head. Now for the master bedroom. To your right, you'll have a walk-in closet and the master bathroom on the left. So as you can see, you have more than enough space for your clothes, some drawers, What's great about the master bathroom is the separation between the toilet and the shower area. And then you also have the option to open these beautiful large windows for either some morning sun or an evening view to relish as you bathe after a long day. It also comes with a rain shower head, so you have both a bathtub and a shower area. As for the best part about the master bedroom, we have this killer view. I mean, who wouldn't love to have their morning coffee looking at this view? Let's head on out now and check out the condo's amenities and facilities. The condominium grounds are simply surrounded with greenery, which, as we all know, has numerous benefits, especially for kids. Last but not least, the condo has a shuttle bus service that can take you to Emquartier, which is a short distance from the BTS Skytrain. Now let's actually talk about location, which for this condo is excellent. Right in front of Millennium Residence, you will find a trendy lifestyle community mall called Mill Mall that offers various food choices, including authentic Thai street food. Millennium Residence is right between Phrom Phong and Asok, giving you easy access to two great districts. Phrom Phong BTS is a 15-minute drive away, while Asok is 17 minutes away.